Okay, so without a doubt, the hardest part is getting the speedometer unscrewed. You have very little room to get in there to get at it, and you can't really pull the dash out. You just have to kind of work your way. I was able to get it started with some small pliers and then get it going. The other is a whole bunch of wires over in the corner here. You can't screw them up, but like I didn't see this buzzer. I thought I got a buzzer. I must have gotten a flasher, which is another can back there. I guess this is the buzzer. These are door switches. I really couldn't get to those until I had it half off. Then I was able to unhook them, but it wasn't that big of a deal, not really. You don't have to have these bolts out. I was wrong about that. And it's out, and I got it out by myself. So it's possible to do it one-man operation. Probably easier. I was kind of stuck in here for a little while, trying to figure out what to do. Here's the ones you have to disconnect. You don't have to disconnect all these. I made a mistake there. I have to disconnect that one. Didn't have to disconnect that one. I think the rest of them did have to. I think these do come out. Obviously, there's nothing there to go back in, so they're part of the console harness. All this stuff right over here. Okay. It's completely out, fairly intact. So the next part of the phase will be trying to figure out the best way to remove the pad. I don't know if I'm going to need to. I guess I'll probably have to take all these tubes, all the hoses off and all that kind of stuff to make that happen. And I'd like to keep it as intact as possible. I really don't think you can, though. You pretty much have to completely disassemble this to get to the screws that hold the pad onto the dashboard, onto the metal frame, that is. Anyway, progress. I found another screw. It was, remember I had miscounted the screws over here. It was just one of the ones that went on the bottoms on the other side. So I've got the right number of screws. Everything's making sense. Now's a good time probably to go through and check this duct work, make sure everything looks secure and sound. I'd like to maybe even blow out that evaporator coil. I don't know how much. I might shine a light. Well, shoot, you can't see it. I'll probably just leave well enough alone. The air conditioning works fine. But there you have it. We're making some progress. I didn't tear up anything in the process. That's always a good thing. So next stage will be stripping this down. But at least I can do that in the comfort of doing it inside, and good lighting and good seating, and get everything all, laid out. That should make it a lot easier. But that's it for now. Oh, I think, I just remembered there's 2 bolts here I didn't document. I don't know where these came from. Oh, here we go. Yes, I did. They came right here. They get right there. One there, and one there. I remember to take this out before I try to slip the dash back in place. So they're really part of this this series here. Put them all up there, so hopefully I'll see it. Yeah, so far so good. Overall, you can see the car's in really good shape. There's no rust coming through. There's no rust holes. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. All right, more later. Thanks for watching.